Instead of just playing around with the new upcoming AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, you could use them actually to make some money. And in today's video, I want to show you how to do this using ChatGPT and Fiverr or Upwork. So let's get started with this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the like button so I can produce more of this content for you. So like I said it in the intro, I want to show you how to make money using Fiverr and ChatGPT. But first thing for you is to understand what is ChatGPT and how does it actually work. So for this, I want to show you ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the chat generative pre-trained transformer by OpenAI, which was released in November 2022, and I want to show it how you can use it to make money with it. This is the interface of ChatGPT, which you can find under chat.openai.com. With this, you can now type in a prompt which you want ChatGPT to do for you. For example, write me a blog about dog training. So, and now ChatGPT will do it for you. That's it. This is very easy. ChatGPT uses AI technology in the background and types you your own blog. As you can see it here now, in under 3 seconds I got a full blog about dog training. And it's very easy to use, as you can see, and also the blog isn't that bad. If you read the article through, it doesn't sound bad. So I stopped generating now because I want to show you something else. The thing with ChatGPT is the more information you give it, the better your article will get. So for example, write me a blog about dog training and include a specific topic about German Shepherd. So ChatGPT now uses this information you gave to it and it writes a more specific and detailed blog about this topic. So this is very good to know that the more information you give to ChatGPT, the better it can write the articles as you want to get them. So really nice and good to see. But now you may ask yourself, how can I use this to make some money with it? The thing is, you can now go to Fiverr, for example, or Upwork, which are platforms where you can sell services like writing SEO articles or graphic design, logo design, video animation, video editing or something like this. And for example, you can use now ChatGPT to, for example, this writing and translation part here, writing your articles, blog posts, translation of something, proofreading and editing, resume writing, and so on. All these things ChatGPT can do. And with this is a very easy thing which ChatGPT can do. 500 words, SEO article, zero plagiarism, and this for $5. So if you imagine you get $5 for only typing in such a short thing here, it's pretty easy to make a good amount of money, around a couple of $100. If you look at this seller, for example, has 30 or 5-star ratings, and these are from the last days here, 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago. So he's pretty new here in the game and already is one of the blog, the best sellers here up. Comes here because of his low price. If we look at the others, we have 25, 50, 100, 35. Yes, they have this price because they don't use AI. So I want to bet with you that this dude here uses AI to generate his articles, so you can give it out for $5 only, and has also one order in queue, as you can see, so it really works. You can use ChatGPT for making money with it on Fiverr. I also want to give you one very important fact is that you get into a specific topic. That you don't go only to the topic I write you blog posts. You should go to a more specific and detailed topic. For example, I will write you medical articles, or I will write you fitness articles, or I will write you articles about dogs and something. Go into a niche, so if people search for the niche, you are out of the competition. Because if you look here, 80,000 services available, so you really have to come out from your competitors. So be sure to go into a specific niche. So guys, this was my short introduction how you can use ChatGPT and Fiverr to make you some money. If you want to know how and if this really works, be sure to click that little bell on my account and also subscribe to my account, because I will make a 10 days test if selling articles and writing articles with ChatGPT and Fiverr really works, and if you can make money with it using AI. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a good day and bye.